Biology Chapter 5 Molecular Basis of Inheritance of Class 12th. At the time of Mendel, the nature of factors that regulate the pattern of inheritance was not clear. Over the next 100 years, nature of genetic material was investigated and was found that nucleic acids act as genetical material in the organism. Type of nucleic acid. Nucleic acids are of two types: deoxyribose nucleic acid DNA and ribose nucleic acid RNA. DNA acts as a genetical material in most of the organism, that is, in all cellular organisms, both prokaryotic and eukaryotic organisms, whereas RNA acts as a genetical material in some viruses. However, RNA performs following role in cellular organisms: as a messenger molecule mRNA, as an adapter molecule tRNA, transfer RNA, as a structural molecule rRNA, ribosomal RNA, as a catalytic molecule 23S RNA, ribosine. Structure of polynucleotide chain. Polynucleotides are the polymer of nucleotides. DNA and RNA are polynucleotides. A nucleotide has three components: a nitrogen base, pentose sugar, ribose in case of RNA, and deoxyribose for DNA, and phosphate group. Nitrogenous bases are of two types: purines and pyrimidines. Purines are again classified in two types: adenine and guanine. Pyrimidines are classified in three types: thymine, cytosine and uracil. Thymine 5-methyl uracil present only in DNA and uracil only in RNA. A nitrogen base is linked to the pentose sugar through a N-glycosidic linkage to form a nucleoside. Structure of a polynucleotide chain in RNA and DNA. Nucleoside in RNA consists of adenosine, guanine, cytidine and uridine, while nucleoside in DNA has deoxyadenosine, deoxyguanosine, deoxycytidine and deoxythymidine. When a phosphate group is linked to 5'OH of a nucleoside through phosphoester linkage, a corresponding nucleotide is formed. Two nucleotides are linked through 3' to 5' phosphodiester linkage to form a dinucleotide. More nucleotides can be joined in such a manner to form a polynucleotide chain. The polynucleotide chain has at the 5' end of the sugar a free phosphate moiety called 5' end of polynucleotide chain, and at the 3' end of the sugar has a free 3' OH group called 3' end of the polynucleotide chain. The backbone of polynucleotide is formed by the sugar and phosphate, while the nitrogen base projects from the backbone. In RNA, every nucleotide has an additional OH group at a 2' position in the ribose pentose sugar. Uracil U at the place of thymine 5-methyl uracil. Another name for the thymine is there. How was structure of DNA elucidated? Friedrich Messer in 1869 first time discovered an acidic substance in the nucleus and named it as a nuclein. In 1953, James Watson and Francis Crick put forth a double-stranded structure of DNA on the basis of two observations: the X-ray differentiation data produced by Maurice Wilkins and Rosalind Franklin that show helical structure of DNA, and another observation was of Erwin Chargaff Structure of DNA. The two chains are coiled in right-handed fashion and the pitch of helix is 3.4 nanometer. There are about 10 base pairs in each turn with a distance of 0.34 nanometer between two base pairs. DNA is made up of two polynucleotide chains where the backbone is constituted by sugar phosphate and nitrogen bases project inside. The two chains have antiparallel polarity. That is, if one chain has the polarity 5' to 3', the other has 3' to 5'. The bases in the two strands are held together by hydrogen bond H bond, forming base pair, adenine pair with thymine through two hydrogen bonds and guanine with cytosine through three hydrogen bonds. The plane of one base pair streaks over the other in the double helix, which in addition to H bond provide stability to the helical structure. Irwin-Chargaff's rule. The observation of Irwin-Chargaff that for a double-stranded DNA, the ratio between A and T and G ratio C are constant and equals 1. Therefore, A plus G is equal to T plus C or A plus G upon T plus C is equal to 1. DNA is a long polymer of deoxyribonucleotide. The length of DNA is usually described as number of nucleotide in case of single-stranded DNA or a pair of nucleotide or base pairs. The number of nucleotide or base pair is characteristics of an organism or species. For example, pi 174 phage has 5386 nucleotide. Lambda phage has 48,502 base pairs. Escherichia coli has 4.6 into 10 raised to 6 base pair. Human DNA haploid content has 3.3 into 10 raised to 9 base pairs. Calculation of length of DNA or packaging of DNA helix. The length of DNA is calculated by multiplying the total number of base pair with distance between two consecutive base pair. For example, diploid content of human DNA is 6.6 into 10 raised to 9 base pair. Distance between two consecutive base pair is 0.34 nm or 0.34 pi into 10 raised to minus 9 meter. Thus, the length of DNA of a typical human cell is 6.6 into 10 raised to 9 base pair multiply 0.34 into 10 raised to minus 9 meter is equal to 2.2 meter approximately. The length of DNA in E. coli is approximately 1.36 meter. That is 1.36 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. Therefore, the number of base pair is equal to 1.36 into 10 raised to minus 3 divided by 0.34 into 10 raised to minus 9 gives 4 into 10 raised to 6 base pair in E. coli. Packaging of DNA helix. Packaging of DNA in prokaryotes. The prokaryotes example E. coli do not have a defined nucleus. Still, the DNA is not scattered throughout the cell. DNA, being negatively charged, is organized in large loops with some positively charged protein in a region termed as nucleoid. Packaging of DNA in eukaryotes. In eukaryotes, there is a set of positively charged basic proteins called histone. A protein acquires charge depending upon the abundance of amino acid with charged side chain. The basic nature of histone is due to abundance of basic amino acid residue, lysine and arginine. Both the amino acid residue carry positive charge in their side chains. Histones are organized to form a unit of 8 molecules called histone octamer. The negatively charged DNA is wrapped around the positively charged histone octamer to form a structure called nucleosome. A typical nucleosome contains 200 base pair of DNA helix. Therefore, total number of nucleosome in human is 6.6 into 10 raised to 9 base pair divided by 200, that is 3.3 into 10 raised to 7 nucleosome present in human body. Structure of DNA. The two chains are coiled in right-handed fashion and the pitch of helix is 3.4 nanometer. There are about 10 base pair in each turn. The chromatin is packed to form chromatin fibers that are further coiled and condensed at metaphase stage of cell division to form chromosome. The packaging of chromatin at a higher level required additional set of proteins called non-histone chromosomal NHC proteins. In a nucleus, some region of chromatin is loosely packed and stained light is called euchromatin, while the other region are tightly packed and stained darker is called heterochromatin. Euchromatin is transcriptionally active, whereas heterochromatin is inactive. The difference between euchromatin and heterochromatin is euchromatin is a loosely packed region of chromatin, while heterochromatin is tightly or densely packed region of chromatin. Euchromatin is lightly stained with Fuchsian stain region of chromatin, while heterochromatin is darkly stained. Euchromatin contains active genes while it lacks in heterochromatin. It does not contain repetitive DNA sequence in euchromatin, while in heterochromatin it contains highly repetitively tandemly arranged DNA sequence. Euchromatin is a transcriptionally active region of DNA, while heterochromatin is inactive region of DNA. Thank you.